Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So in this video today, I decided to go ahead and decorate my table with a touch of St. Patrick's Day. Come on with me, guys. Now I didn't have very much, so I did the best that I could here. And let me show you what I did. So this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way. And that's exactly what that means. No matter what it is that you have, whether it's a DIY, a piece of decor piece you just bought, a thrifted item, an area of your home, or even a room, then you can go ahead, style that your way, make a video, and make sure and hashtag it Styling My Way, and I'll be more than happy to add you to the playlist. Now, let me tell you who's hosting this. So I am hosting it, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, along with Design with Emma. I also have some beautiful co-hosts, which are Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Z9 Design, IB Doll, and if I forgot anyone to add into this, I will surely link it below in the description box. Now let me tell you all about the table. All right, so that candle holder you see all the way to the far left, it's crystal. That is a DIY that I'm getting ready to release soon. Now this is a floral arrangement that I went ahead and made, and the vase I embellished with BB Craft bling chain. Now, the runner on the table I did purchase at the Dollar Tree, along with all the florals that are inside of this vase right here, except for those fuchsia pink ones. They came from Walmart along with the boxwood. So this is an absolutely gorgeous vase. I love that bling chain. And again, the scarf came from the Dollar Tree. I'm just using it as a runner. Then we have in the corner my teapot they go very well with my dishware with 2 mugs, because I'm gonna have some coffee or tea. Haven't decided yet after I get done with dinner tonight. So let's head on over to the place setting. Now, this is what I decided to use today. So these wine glasses, these were a gifted item. And then the water glasses that came from the Goodwill. You're going to see a floral arrangement with the 4-leaf clovers. That was a Trash to Treasure DIY that I released a couple of days ago. This dish right here was a thrifted item. Actually, all of the dishware is thrifted. I am loving it, and I think it matches very well with my teapot set. I am just loving this set of leaves on my plates. I love that. So I decided to drape over the napkin, you wrap it around the plate. And so this is a very pale yellow napkin and cloth napkin, and I love it. So now we're moving on over to the plate, which is the design is the succulents, and I'm loving that, guys. I cannot wait to use this during the spring and summer. So I decided to go ahead and use it today. It blends very well with that green plate. Now the chargers did come from Hobby Lobby. I absolutely love the shape of these chargers. And then we're going to move on over to the placemat, and I kind of layered this. So I'm using the woven placemat, and then I'm using that gold glitter placemat. The gold glitter placemat came from Dollar Tree, guys. It's not a Dollar Tree item, so it was sent to Dollar Tree. So if you see these, guys, grab it. Great quality, almost reminds me of Hobby Lobby. Now this mesh placemat did come from Hobby Lobby. The utensils came from Aldi, and we're going to go ahead and start placing this back so you could see how I layered it. And like I said, the little floral arrangement that's over there off to the left, you're going to see was a trash to treasure, and I decided to do it for St. Patrick's Day. It is a DIY video that I was in a collab in, and I thought it was very precious. So I went ahead and I put it on the table. It matches very well with everything. And I really enjoy putting this table together, guys. Since I've been busy with school, it's been really hard in between to do as many tablescapes as I love to do. So I'll be working on that when school's over. But for right now, this is what I came up with for St. Patrick's Day. I was calling the theme of this video here 4-leaf clover, which really just means just add something green to represent St. Patrick's Day. Or if you have the items, you can go ahead and use that, or use gold and green, whatever you decided to do, guys. So I am so happy that you enjoyed this place setting. At least I hope you did. I think it came out beautiful, guys. Didn't that trash to treasure vase with the flowers? They came out absolutely gorgeous. So I used a jar to make that. And also in the center of that little arrangement there is a bunch of 4-leaf clovers that I got from the Dollar Tree. So everything, and the scarf was my runner, and I'm loving that crystal candle holder on the end. You can use that all year round. So this is my table. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.